Hi, I am Ivian Raya Sumagang, a senior high school public teacher of the Department of Education, Division of Cagayan de Oro City. I started teaching since June of last year, facilitating, handling, and teaching subjects, English and Filipino subjects. I am also practicing my being a digital youth ambassador as trained by Facebook and Mano Amiga Pilipinas. I am also a youth advocate facilitating and facilitating youth empowerment and formation activities to many young people already. The reason why I wanted to join in the seminar workshop is that I know that this will help me much in my mission in the field of teaching. Students or young people nowadays, let's not say that they lack or they lack awareness, but maybe they have overlooked the value of thinking critically, giving emphasis to what is happening outside the campus or outside the comfort of their homes. Being a teacher is not just a forming the young people of the what and the mere facts of many things, but it is also empowering and helping them to be better persons saying to become individuals with hearts, empathetic individuals empathetic individuals who think more than just the what or the what and the basic information of everything, but it is to help them grow and know that there are so much more to tackle in the world. And that is why I am so much inspired that if given the chance to be one of the participants of this seminar workshop, I would gladly share when I come back from this seminar workshop to my students. I will incorporate what I have learned, every strategy, technique, to the classes I will be handling. I will be handling senior high school students, and these students are at the age where it is important to think critically, to give emphasis to that there are a lot of resources and there are a lot of things that need to be discussed upon. And as a digital youth ambassador, I know I can also incorporate using several social media platforms. And as I've said, this will really help me being a teacher in the field, engaging in this kind of workshop, and then coming back and sharing this to the school where I am coming from. So that's all. Thank you.